Alex, the department's training commander also testified, and she also said that the way Chauvin restrained George Floyd went against police training. Why did they need her testimony if the police chief had already said the same thing?
Well, Diane, the prosecutor is just bringing out all of these witnesses, these people who work with the police department, to make the point to the jury. Her name was Katie Blackwell, and she was in charge of training the officers back when all of this happened. And her testimony was very blunt when they asked her about that position that we see Chauvin had on top of Floyd. She said, "I don't know what kind of improvised position that is, but it's certainly not something that we train our officers to do." And the jury, of course, was listening very intently yesterday to her testimony, Diane, and also to that testimony from the police chief.
And today we're set to hear from Morries Hall, the man who was with George Floyd that day. But instead of testifying, he's actually fighting not to testify. What do we expect from that hearing?
Yeah, Diane, this is all going to happen with the jury not in the courtroom. So before the jury enters the courtroom, we expect it'll be a Zoom hearing. He's actually in police custody for an unrelated matter. If you look at some of those videos of the aftermath, you can actually see him in some of those videos. And Floyd's girlfriend testified that he had in the past provided drugs to George Floyd. We expect at this hearing today, the Zoom hearing, he's going to make it clear that he intends to plead the fifth because it could incriminate him and not testify during this trial. So this hearing really is to quash that subpoena and handle all of that business before the court today, Diane.
All right, Alex. We appreciate it. Alex Perez outside the courthouse.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.